In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok effects problem. First thing you want to do, guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you want to do is open the apps and go to the TikTok app like this. Now what you want to do on this page is very simple. Click on force stop and then go to the data usage and disable the roaming data. Last thing you want to do is click on the storage, click on clear data and click delete. This includes files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. All these will be deleted. So make sure to click delete after this and click on clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.